SRM is known for its infrastructure and multidisciplinary facilities. Mechanical department is also known for its state-of-art facilities and well-deserved faculty members.
The students of different disciplines of engineering are trained for making components using sheet metal, welding, fitting and carpentry facilities.
The students are trained to design and analyze the machine components through modern CAD softwares.
Hands-on experience to the students for coding and operating production-type CNC machines.
This lab is equipped with state-of-art research facility to produce and test composite materials.
The physical geometrical characteristics of any component can be measured with the help of coordinate measuring machine.
The innovative ideas can be realized into components using rapid prototype machine.
Through DST, FIST Fund, this lab has been developed to find the fatigue of bioimplants.
Includes computerized engine for performance study, and self-fabricated water tunnel to visualize the water flow characteristics.
Includes equipment for measuring heat transfer, thermal conductivity, performance of refrigeration and air conditioning system and self-fabricated PCM thermal storage system to study.
The hands-on training to the students is given on industrial robots. This lab is equipped with a quick robot for pick and place using machine vision principle.
The students are getting hands-on training with a Schaeffler-type parabolic dish-based solar steam cooking system and solar PV power plant of capacity 1000 kWp on the campus. The solar-powered car is designed and fabricated by various disciplines of students. The funds for making the car is fully supported by SRM. The car got several awards in the student competition. Like this, we have many teams for various tasks. Most of the students are well placed in reputed companies through campus placements. Our seniors are doing higher studies in India and abroad in world-ranking universities.
The Department of Mechanical Engineering offers B.Tech in Mechanical Engineering. The B.Tech Mechanical Engineering program offered at Katanpulatur campus is accredited by National Board of Accreditation. Also, this program is accredited by the Engineering Technology Accreditation Commission of ABET. B.Tech in Mechanical Engineering with specialization in Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. B.Tech in Mechanical Engineering with specialization in Automation and Robotics, and Integrated M.Tech Mechanical Engineering.
The Department of Mechanical Engineering offers M.Tech in Robotics, M.Tech in Solar Energy, M.Tech in Computer-Aided Design, and M.Tech in Thermal Engineering with 4 streams, namely Electronic Cooling, Renewable Energy, Gas Dynamics and Computational Fluid Dynamics. SRM offers a stipend of Rs 12,400 per month for M.Tech program.
The department also offers PhD program in all mechanical engineering disciplines in both full-time and part-time mode. A stipend of 25,000 rupees is offered for the full-time research scholars.
For admissions in B.Tech, M.Tech and PhD programs, contact the Director Admission. For more information, visit our website.